Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can enable or disable filters to search or to apply filters for searches on Adobe Bridge for specific files and folders. So let us guide you through this. So let me navigate to Adobe Bridge on my desktop computer. Next, navigate to one of these tabs here at the top, like the folders, overview, or metadata. And here in the left panel you will see the filters tab. So what you want to do is click into these three lines here next to filters, and you will see all filters that can be applied. Like for example, labels, file type, keywords, any of these. So you may clear them all, for example, or click into the given check mark next to it to disable the given filter. You may also enable AND for keywords for your searches, for instance. You may keep the filter when browsing and clear the filter for your searches by clicking into this button, or clear them all here at the bottom. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.